Building your dream pool has never been easier. At Lighthouse, we have designed HeatForm, a new ethical pool panel system which has revolutionized the pool installation process. Constructed from individual insulated panels, our pools are quicker and less complicated to build than conventional concrete designs. Assembled on site, this simplifies the installation process. The panels easily fit together with multiple combinations available, and our above-ground pools are perfect for indoor and outdoor spaces, whether installing a pool for the first time or replacing an existing pool. There are no limitations to the width and length of the pool. All panels are available in 0.5 metre increments. There are 3 height options: 0.9 metres, 1.2 metres and 1.5 metres, great for home use, schools and hydrotherapy spas. Choose from our range of external cladding. All the panels which make up the pool are insulated with 100% recycled plastic bottles, with approximately 9,000 used in an average HeatForm pool. That's 9,000 less polluting our planet and oceans. And this will not only reduce waste, but will actually improve heat retention through the insulated walls, reducing your running costs by up to 50%. HeatForm. Saving you time, saving you money, saving the environment.